Hello everyone and welcome back to Zaki educational channel. So this is time for the weekly environmental quiz which we conduct every week on Monday. Yes, this is conducted every week to test the knowledge about environmental science and prepare ourselves for the environmental science entrance examination. So this will be very interesting. Those who are new, you should know that we have certain rules, and let's move on to the rule book. So one must read all these rules before proceeding for the quiz. Yes, two important things I would like to say, that your answer should be in the format which is given here in the example, and every month one top performer with the maximum combined score from all the weekly quiz is awarded with the cash prize and certificate. So try to participate and your chances of winning will be maximum. So moving to our first question, the first question is, in an ideal solution, how does the solute and solvent obeys? So you have to select the correct option. I will wait for certain seconds, then we'll move to the next question. So let's move on to the second question. The second question is, identify the correct statements regarding the ecological succession. Time is running out. Let's move to our third question. The third question is from the nitrogen fixation, in which the question is asking, a nitrogen fixing actinomycetes associated with the higher plants is what? Let's move on to our next question. The next question is from the statistics section, which is, we have to find the correct statement regarding the skewness. So here two kinds of skewness is given, about Karl Pearson's and Bowley's coefficient. Let's move on to the fifth question. The fifth question is, we have to find which statement about the London smog is true. So there are two kinds of smog, London smog and Los Angeles smog. Let's move on to our next question. The sixth question is, the chemical which is used in the fermenter with molasses as substrate is what? So I would suggest you to take a pen and paper and write all the options so that it will be easier for you to write in the comment section when the quiz is over. Let's move on to the seventh question. The seventh question is, when the saturated adiabatic lapse rate is lesser than the environmental lapse rate and the dry adiabatic lapse rate is greater than the environmental lapse rate, then what is the condition of the atmosphere? Time is running out. Let's move on to the next question. The eighth question is, which of the following statements is true about the lithophile? So lithophile are the elements and you have to select which of the following statement about them is correct. Let's move to the next question. The next question is, the full form of DEP, which is known to manifest the asthma-like features, is what? So you have to select which of the following full form is correct about DEP. So we are moving towards the final question of the quiz contest. The last question is, which of the following are not the noise indices for a noise signal? So think about it correctly and select the correct option. So here we come to the end of this quiz contest. Hurry up guys and write all the options in the comment section. And stay tuned for the video of the results, and we will meet you in the next video. Take care, keep learning.